What is your name?
Jessica.
I'm Ross.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah. Second summer, you said?
Yes.
Oh yeah. You're in Winnipeg crew or Vancouver?
Winnipeg.
Oh, so you guys either go to Vancouver or Toronto, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I've also been to Churchill quite a few times.
Oh, that's cool. I always wanted to do that.
Yeah, I've actually gotten to go 6 times to Churchill. And I was on the last train that went there, and then we got stuck because the rails got flooded. So I was on the train, the equipment that's still there. I was on that train, yeah.
Wow. So there's equipment on the outside of the washout.
Wow, yeah.
That must have been.
Yeah, a couple engines, a baggage car, 2 coach, a dining car, and 1 sleeper.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's usually what the consist for 693 is. And,
Yeah.
yeah.
Are they working on that now to restore it?
The tracks?
Yeah.
You know what? Omnitrack, that's who owns the track. They want the government to pay to fix it because it's like an essential service. But I mean, they're not gonna just repair their tracks for them. Because Omnitrack, they were wanting to sell them. So the tracks I don't think were being maintained very well.
Yes.
So, because apparently they don't make any money off those rails, so I'm not sure what's going to be happening, but it's really unfortunate.
Apparently, I heard recently in the Railfan news that the province of Manitoba, along with the 15 nation bands up in Manitoba, recently purchased the Porter Churchill and the rail line, Hudson Bay Rail Line. So recently a sale just happened. Apparently, yeah.
I heard that they wanted to purchase it.
Yeah.
But I didn't hear anything besides for that.
I heard via through people or rail fans in Canada that there was a sale of the Porter Churchill and the Hudson Bay Rail Line. So then to get it started, to get it fixed up as soon as possible, because the federal government was not really into fixing it. Omnitrack will take responsibility, and no, it just started bouncing around who's responsible to fix it. So finally just bought it, and then we get it done with. So.
Well, yeah, they need those tracks. I mean, like, we're only going to Gillam now and turning around.
And you only go 1 day a week each way. It used to be 3 times a week.
They must still be doing 3 right now.
Actually, no, on the schedule, if you look on Reservia on the website, it only gives you out of Winnipeg at Sunday nights and then out
There
of
was
Gillam.
one leaving on Thursday when we left. I think they're still doing 3. They're going to be changing it right away, though. Because when I left on Thursday going to Vancouver, there was a Churchill train leaving just after us, going to.
Oh, it must not be posted on the website, because I tried to book on the website and it only gives me Sunday leaving Winnipeg and Friday or Saturday, pardon me, leaving Thompson back down.
Okay.
So it must not be able to do on the website, given that the website gives you what is previously scheduled. That wouldn't be. Unless you do it on the phone, they could probably do it there.
Yeah, I guess it's not up to date yet.
So where are we, Jessica?
We just passed Hell's Gate. And I overheard the engineers say that we should be getting into Vancouver around 113.
Hit that figure.
Yeah.
Well, we're on the Yale subdivision right now. Yale subdivision from Boston Bar down to Hope. And the next stop for us is Hope.
So is this, are we past Kamloops? Are we,
Oh.
this is the Blue River
Yes,
then?
we were
No.
in Kamloops
Not Blue River.
after midnight.
This is Fraser River they're on right now.
What river?
Fraser River. Fraser.
Fraser.
Fraser River.
Fraser. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Morning.
Good morning.
Beautiful back there, about half an hour. Oh my gosh, this is exciting.
I'm not sure exactly
Look
where.
at this map.
I can help you.
Yeah, because we definitely haven't hit. We're past Kamloops. We're definitely.
Boston Bar in this area here.
Yeah, we're not at Chilliwack just yet.
No, we're like right in here. That map's not very comprehensive.
Yeah,
No.
exactly.
You need a like more detailed map. Huh?
Like this one.
Is that one can help you? Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
sweet.
so we're in between Kamloops and Chilliwack.
We went through Boston Borough already.
Oh, between Boston Bar and Chilliwack.
Yeah. There's a tunnel coming up.
So our friend got off at Kamloops.
Yeah.
I got on.
Well, at least he didn't do it like at 2, maybe it was more like 5.
You right at Kansas at 1:45 a.m. and I got on there.
Wow.
Yeah.
I was in bed at 11.
Who's responsible for like making like obviously when you have a passenger getting off, someone has to open the door and he doesn't just do it on his own.
Yeah,
SSA